Hi, I'm Paula from Paula's DIY Decor, and I'm the crafter from Down Under. Today I'm super excited to bring to you a silver high-end tablescape series, and our first DIY is a Glam elegant mirror centerpiece. This is an absolutely stunning centerpiece which you can use as part of a Glam tablescape or a beautiful wedding or a very special romantic celebration. I used 6 mirrored tiles, some rhinestone tile, mosaic tiles, and you can use some floral foam. I had some packaging from a delivery that we had, so I thought I would reuse it. Now, with the foam core or the foam packaging, that is going to serve as the base of your centerpiece. You're going to use it to glue the mirror tiles onto, and that will keep your centerpiece nice and square and secure. All you need to do is glue each mirrored tile up against each other, making sure that it's a nice tight connection. Now you can use E6000 or Gorilla Glue. I intend to repurpose these mirrored tiles, so I was happy to use just some high temp hot glue. What you can see me doing is using the foam as the base of the centerpiece, and I'm quickly building out the square form. As you can see, that foam base will serve as a way for me to glue the florals and also to keep the mirrored tiles together. So to cover up the seals or the edges of the mirror tiles where they butt up against each other, I'm using some mosaic smaller mini tiles, and just they're already pre-glued, so I'm just laying them straight onto the corners wherever there is a seam, just to give it that nice clean finish. Now you can pick up these tiles in any craft store. I picked it up from in Australia a $2 store, but Spotlight or Lincraft also have these little mosaic tiles. Now the mirrored tiles, I did pick those up again in a $2 store. You can find them in just about any shopping centre in Australia. So to finish off the Glam centerpiece, I just used some florals from my stash and just arranged it throughout the centerpiece. And I think this is a beautiful, elegant mirrored centerpiece that you can use for any special occasion around your home. In my case, I want to use it as part of my silver high-end tablescape. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe and hit that button so that you can be alerted every time I upload a video. So for my second DIY, I want to share with you how I make a really super duper easy Glam charger round. All you're going to need is some silver, beautiful foam paper that you can pick up in any $2 store or crafting store. I traced a round that I already had in my stash. When I traced it, it had a beautiful scalloped edging, used my scissors to cut it out, and that's it, as simple as that. You have a beautiful silver round that you can then layer with your charger and with your plates, and it really brightens the table and makes it look super elegant. My third DIY, I would like to share with you how I made this gorgeous Glam napkin ring. All you're going to need is some of that beautiful silver glitter foam paper and some stick-on rhinestones. So I just used a napkin ring that I already had to trace out roughly how wide I wanted to make that napkin ring, and then I simply cut it out, folded it over, and then used my stapler to staple together the napkin ring. After I cut off the edges, then I proceeded to use my stick-on rhinestones, which I picked up in Kmart, but again, you can pick it up in any craft store, any $2 store. I think it was only a couple of dollars for the sheet. And I proceeded to make a beautiful design. This is up to you what design you want to make. I used a combination of large-sized rhinestones and smaller-sized rhinestones and created a beautiful pattern that once you thread through your napkin will give you a beautiful, shiny, elegant, glam looking table napkin holder. Then I used some beautiful rhinestone border trim to just give the napkin holder a nice clean finish and clean edging, and just make it look that little bit more elegant using this trim around the edges. So I just cut the trim in half and used only one row of rhinestones to edge the napkin ring. And there you have it, a beautiful, gorgeous, elegant rhinestone napkin ring, which really cost me a few dollars. In Australia, napkin rings can be very expensive, and I really made this one on a budget. Next, I'd like to share with you how I made these beautiful, elegant coasters. These Glam coasters are simply using round coasters and some crafting paper that I picked up in Spotlight. All you're going to do is trace out your coaster shape and then cut it out with some scissors, and then all you're going to do is use some glue. I just had some Weld Bond glue. I find it's a really great way to stick just about anything. Frankly, I used my finger only because I couldn't find my foam brush or my paintbrush, and then I just stuck that piece of craft paper onto the coaster, and that's it, as simple as that. A beautiful, elegant coaster. Next, I'd like to share with you my fifth DIY, which is how to really spruce up your wine glasses. This Glam wine glass is super easy. I know I've been saying all of these DIYs are easy, but they really are. You're just going to need a rhinestone sticker sheet, which I picked up from a $2 store here in Australia, but again, you can find them in any craft store. I just measured roughly the size of the stem, cut out the rhinestone sticker, and then simply stuck it around the stem of the glass. And boy oh boy does it look glamorous and shiny and gorgeous and elegant. It is going to look stunning on my silver high-end tablescape, and I can't wait to show you how it looks. For my sixth DIY, I'm going to share with you how to make a faux Glam charger plate. Now, I don't have the budget to have different coloured charger plates, so as you can see here, my charger plates are gold, and I like to stack my plates in advance to see what it looks like, but the gold doesn't really go with my theme of my silver high-end tablescape. So I thought, what can I do to make these charger plates silver or Glam silver? So I thought, why not use alfoil? So I used some double-sided tape and I laid it down across the charger plate. I took some alfoil, which we sell here you can just pick up in any supermarket, scrunched it up, And then once I smoothed it out, I then simply lay it on top of the charger plate. What the double-sided tape does is helps to keep the alfoil secure onto your plate. You gently, and I mean gently because the alfoil does tend to rip if you're a little bit too fast, then you gently roll it over or smooth it and press it around the charger plate and then curl it around the edges. And then what you're going to do is cut off the excess, stick down the bits that are curled around the charger plate, and that's it. I think these faux glam charger plates have turned out just adorable. You can't even tell that they're covered in alfoil. By the time you layer your plates and decorate your table, they will just look like a really high-end, gorgeous, textured charger plate, and it only cost you a few cents. My seventh DIY is a beautiful silver glam candle centerpiece. All you're going to need is a PVC backed sheet of Glam Rhinestone or glitter adhesive sheet, a battery operated candle which you can pick up in any discount store, and all I did was just measure out the sheet, the adhesive sheet, against the candle. I then peeled away the backing and literally stuck it onto the candle. A beautiful, shiny, glittery candle can really make your table sing, and I like to decorate my candles in the same decor as the tablescape because I think it gives it a beautiful, nice, cohesive look right across the table. If you like this video, please go ahead and subscribe and hit that button so that I can alert you every time I upload a video. I hope you've enjoyed these beautiful 7 DIYs to create a silver high-end tablescape. I think silver tables are glamorous, they glitter, they shine, they're absolutely stunning. They can be used for weddings or just for special occasions. I hope you've enjoyed watching this. It's now time to tablescape. I'll see you soon. Bye.